How to fix unable to access Photos app from WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you not being able to access the Photos app from WhatsApp. Now, let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open your WhatsApp. So I'll show you the problem right here. So when you go to the camera and when you need to send photo and you need to access the gallery, it says something like this: no photos or videos. Now this happens when you have not given complete access to your gallery. So to do that, tap on manage right here. Now here what you'll need to do is you'll need to change settings. Tap on change settings, and now you're on your settings. Now what you need to do is go to photos, and when you're on photos, go to this photo library access, and there tap on full access. After you give full access to your gallery, now WhatsApp can access your photos and you will be able to send any photos. So this is a really simple fix guys, and this is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.